Welcome to the Blind Android Users channel. This is your source for everything Android tutorials and demos, all from a blindness perspective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hi, for the Blind Android Users channel, this is Warren Carr. Today I'll be unboxing a smartwatch from Kospet, Kospet. This watch costs $179, and that's on a promo. It goes back to its regular price of $229 once the 28th of July is over. I just got this watch and I'm gonna unbox it. I normally don't spend my time on describing boxes and things like that, so I will straight away go ahead into pulling it out of the box. I have taken it out of the big box, and now I'll take it out of the little box. There's that box, and then there's this other one that looks like I need a little pocket knife to cut off some tape at the bottom so I could take it off. I'll grab my little pocket knife here and cut that tape off. All right. Okay, let's see if I can pull this off now that I believe I've cut off the tape. Just took the top of the box off, and in there is the watch. The watch has a silicone band, and describing the watch as I pull it out of the box, there are two buttons, one to the left and one to the right, and then on the other side feels like a button, or maybe no, feels more like something that I could pull off and insert like a SIM card or something like that. I would like to believe that's what it is. See if I could use my fingernail here, see if I could prop that open. Let's see. I'm not getting that off, but I can feel that definitely this is a place that I could open up to put in the SIM card. Well, at the bottom of the watch, there's a little round thing there. I think that's the sensor and all of that. Let's see, I'm not sure which one is the power button, and so I'm going to hold down the first one on the right. See if it turns it on. Yep, that one turns it on. So the one on the right is the power button. And I'm gonna wait and see what it comes up with. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna grab my phone, and using Lookout, I'm gonna try to read the screen before I do something. I want to make sure that it's on the setup screen before I try to... Aha! There goes the sound, so I'll wait. I'm going to use that Lookout to see what it is saying on the screen.
5:21 p.m. Pixel launcher. Camera. Folder. Lookout. Sullivan Plus. Lookout. Lookout text mode. Change language. English selected. Button.
Okay, let's see.
Einen. Anam. H131,101M. 11,800,000 fraud.
So I think it's not quite there. And this is some of the mistakes that we usually make because we don't wait long enough to try enabling accessibility. So I'm going to let it sit there for a little bit before I try to enable accessibility, if it at all supports accessibility out of the box. All right, I'm going to try to look at it again.
Device unlock. Lookout text mode. Change language. English selected. Button. 11. LNONS. 11. Einen. T. And more.
Okay, I'm going to try to put my 2 fingers down and see if it would actually enable accessibility. Whoops, hang on. I'm going to read something because I think something just came up.
5:23 p.m. Lookout text mode. Change language. English selected. Button. 11:11.
So it's on English.
Screen off.
I'm going to try to hold down my 2 fingers. See what happens. Nothing happens. Put my fingers down again. Nothing happens. Okay, at this point, I am probably going to conclude that it does not have accessibility from the get-go. I'll try again. Nothing happens. Now, I doubt that if I hold down both volumes, or rather both buttons, that it would enable accessibility. I doubt very much so I don't want to make it do something that I'm not supposed to. And I would just end this here by saying that I don't believe this thing supports accessibility out of the box, and I'll have to have sighted assistance in order to do it. I will try again and see.
Lookout text mode. Change language. English selected. Button. Low light.
So English selected, and if let's see what happens here. If I just tap, would something happen? I just tap on it, and I am not sure what it is doing. So let's see. Let's see if I could read the screen again.
Flashlight off. Lookout text mode. Change language. English selected. Button. Low light. Flashlight on. L off VM please P0000000000 Coney 0000.
Oh, I heard it vibrating.
36. Low light.
It vibrated. I think maybe I hit the...
A fire.
Let's see.
Flashlight off. Screen off.
And let's take a look at it again and see what happens.
$5:26 p.m. Unlock device. Unlock. Lookout text mode. Change language. English selected. Button. 000630 wet 000000 incorporated. Not front. Front. 2.
Okay. I can't set up this watch without sighted assistance, and therefore Kospet would go back home to mama. That has been the unboxing of the Kospet phone, of the Kospet watch. I'm going to hold down that power key and see if it turns it off or something. I think I turned it off. No, I didn't turn it off. But that has been the unsuccessful unboxing of the Kospet watch. So if you are thinking about buying this watch, unless of course you're going to have some sighted person help you with it, I will say not to get the Kospet watch. It is a very big watch, so it's for, you know, people that like big watches. It is absolutely a big watch. I'm looking at my Fossil Gen 5 or my Tick watch, and this is absolutely bigger than those other watches. Looking at the two, I'm comparing the width. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the Fossil Gen 5 watch, for example. And that has been the Kospet watch. Unfortunately, I'll have to send it back home to Mama. And that concludes the unboxing. Thanks for listening to another clip from the Blind Android Users channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified of every new material that we upload. Thanks again for listening to the Blind Android Users channel.